So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to split up your design when you are done in CorelDRAW or Photoshop, whatever app you're using, that is your carousel design. So you click here, go to a site, we call it the Pinetools.com. Then you select your design. Our design is here. You click it, you open, and let's change it to horizontal. Okay, you see, this is it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we split it into 6 blocks. Then you split. Now it has split everything. Just download as a zip file. So let's download this as a zip file. Yes, download this as a zip file. Okay, then we save. Now it has downloaded. It's downloading. Let's go here. This is it here, and refresh this page. This is it. So let's extract this to see what is inside. So let's extract. Yes, that is it. It has finished extracting. Let's open this. Open it. Now you see all your designs. It has been splitted into all the different segments. So let's select everything here and open. You see, this is it. The next one, you see it. 2, see, 3, just the way we want it to be. You see it. 4. Thank you guys for watching.